Hey beauties, I'm back with another video. This video is going to be a wig review. Now, I'm not going to be the one who put the wig on. It's actually going to be my niece. I'm going to install this wig on her. And this wig is made by the brand Outre, and it's a lace front wig, and it's inspired by the Brazilian boutique. And this is how it looks, the cover, how she looks. And it has a free parting, we'll see about that. And it has a mesh netting, and it's actually a silk press. And we got this, well, she got this wig in a let me show you, D27, which is probably D27 613, the R27 613. And this is how she looks. Let me take this off. She's pretty. She's pretty. So it's actually the dark root, and she comes into a. She look more. She's not a 27. Yeah, the 27, but she's a little bit lighter than 27. So she looks like she's about 20 inches, 22 inches. I mean, because if it was on me, let me see. It'd go well past my boobage, maybe. But I'm about to show you how it's going to look. Okay, it has combs, 2 combs in the top and 1 comb in the back. And this is your lace. And this is the parting space, which is not a lot. But I'm going to tweeze a little bit right here to make it look a little bit more natural. Alright, so this is the wig on straight out the box. It's a little humpy right here, but if you see, the wig is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And she's short, so it comes very, very long. Look at that. So, oh, I'm messing up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, I tweezed it a little bit. I probably could tweeze it some more so you can see that, but I'm going to use this Cool Tan, if you can see that. Come on, focus. Concealer. And let's see if it gives it a little bit more of a realistic, because with her, she's a little light for us. So let's see what they do. And I'm probably going to tweeze it a little bit more. But look, just by me doing that, look up, Ash, can you see that? Ooh, look at that. And she can't go home with a wig because, you know, her guy is going to get mad because he don't want her with no wig on. So we have to make this look as realistic as possible. Now, with this wig, you can, I would say, flat iron it. Yeah, you can flat iron it. Here's the directions. Up to 400 degrees. So I'm going to get some of the humps out. And I'm not going to actually flat iron it because it's like it really is like a silk press type feel. But I'm just going to put the flat iron on it. Just to kind of smooth it out a little bit at the top. And she have her part. I'm actually going to sew this on, but she has it where she can have it as a middle part or a side part. Matter of fact, let's look and see how the side part would be. So let's see. Lift it up. Ooh, silicones hurt.
Just a little.
Alright. Alright, I'm not gonna put the combs in too much, but let's see. Now let's pull it down. So I guess you could take it. I don't like it on the side. I guess you could take it and you can, well, maybe. because I like big hair. But you can take it and cut it, but I know she don't do that. Cut it or whatever, but this is how it looks on the side, so you can model. She wanted on in the middle, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, right here you can see the true length of the wig, and this wig costs $49.99 at the local beauty supply store, but I'm going to link a link down below so you can find it for a little bit cheaper online. Thank y'all for watching. Until next time, I want all my beauties to stay blessed. Bye y'all. Mwah.